The long stretch series follows the long box series, so we add a spring, bring the foot bar up, so we have a total of 2 springs, place the straps away, and then picking up the box, put it away. Taking a sticky pad onto the headpiece is lifted up. We mount the carriage by taking one hand, opposite foot, other hand, and the other foot into a straight, strong line like a piece of steel, and then we press the carriage out and growing taller to drag the carriage home like a great weight both directions. We resist the spring on the way in, and we press the spring out, keeping the heels lifted over the toes as best as possible throughout the exercise so the heels don't waver forward and back whatsoever.